Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. You're looking at what I did today, or part of what I did today. I was at the supermarket because I did a little EFTY, or earnings for the earnings, and I saw this air conditioner. It's 5,000 BTU, and I saw it on sale for $139, and I said, you know what? That would fit my window over there just perfectly and give me a nice, cool front room. That's the bedroom one, and I moved the sink out temporarily. The brackets are still on the walls, and there's a fly bothering the heck out of me here. And he is really irritating. Oh my gosh. So anyway, I'll be cleaning this area out here and just move the sink right there. It'll be fine right there. And I'm going to get my smoker out of there. I can't wait to see what kind of nests are built up inside of that thing. But yeah, I'm going to get everything cleaned out of this area here and get things organized a little bit. And I still want to put a little table here for when I putting the clothes in and out of the dryer here, because it makes a nice place to set that. And I'm usually, right now I just set it on top of this trash can. But I want that trash can out of there, and we'll see what we can do. Anyway, humidity's only 8% today, and temperature got up to 112 degrees Fahrenheit. It's down right now to 108, and that's a very quick cool down. I think we're headed for another ice age. Somebody call Al Gore. All right. Anyway, I introduced you yesterday to my ranch hand. I forgot to tell you, see, this is my ranch hand, and this is my hired. That's my hired. It's even hired. Yeah, my hired ranch hand. Oh, well. And now it's lowered. There it goes, it's lowered. So anyway, I also picked up the PVC I needed to make the ladder for this. And I'm going to get to working on that little deck area here with a staircase going up and a removable ladder that drops down inside, so that I can keep the cover on it. The cover keeps the water from evaporating and also keeps the bugs from landing in the water and making a mess out of it. And I still have the pump running, since I plugged it in, or I put the clip on the battery early this morning. Still got 13 in the battery. It's not even phasing this thing, so I just take that off, put it right there, pump shut down for the night. It's been running all day. So I got 2 air conditioners running in the cabin with 2 ceiling fans that move the air around, makes it more efficient. And oh man, I can't wait to see my electric bill at the end of the month. Anyway, look at this, 13.1. 13.1 on those panels coming in right there. So apparently I'm doing okay on the electricity part of the situation here. And that's a good thing. So I can keep the place cool. Of course, you got to remember too, it's been overcast all day long. Haven't had any direct sun on my panels all day. And this is the second day in a row it's been like that. So I'll actually have more power when the sun finally comes back out, but it's been just overcast. And I guess this is what somebody in California years ago tagged as June gloom. Maybe we got the May gray and then the June gloom. So anyway, June gloom or not, I'm staying cool inside. So what else was it that I did today? Well, remember I said that I had to do some welding on my trailer, and I've been putting it off because just too darn hard to weld. Man, it was just too hot. So I just said, you know what? I'm outside. I'm been sweating anyway. I'm going to get that trailer done. So I got everything welded. And these 2x4s that are on here, I may be picking up some more totes for my friend Don. And these are 10-foot 2x4s because the trailer is only 8 feet. And it'll hold 3 totes on there, going the 4-foot across, and they're 3 feet wide, so 3 times that is 9 feet. Gives me 6 inches of overhang on each front and back, and then I strap those down. But he also has a bunch of super large pallets. These are like 9-foot long pallets. So I'll be putting a couple of totes on here, and then I'll put the pallets on top of that. As long as I stay down around 13 feet for total height, I'll be fine. And I'll get those pallets back here, and then I'll have some lumber to work with and see what I can't build or what I can build. So anyway, that's what I did. Got my license plate welded back on nice and solid. Got my tie downs welded back on nice and solid. Everything's looking good, ready to go. Now all I have to do is have some place to go. That's one nice thing about living off grid and retiring is you can take every day as it comes, or you can plan to do things, and if you don't feel like doing it when you get up, don't do it. There's another day coming. That's the way I look at it. So I got me a new flag waiting inside to replace this one, but I'm not going to put it up until just before the 4th of July. And I'll have a nice new flag for Independence Day. And we'll go from there. That's about it. I'm going to close up here now, go inside, have a cold one, take a shower, get all of this sticky sweat off of me. I could sit in the tote-cuzzi, but I don't want to put all of that sweat in the tote-cuzzi. I'll shower first. Then once I shower, I'm not going to feel like going in the tote-cuzzi. I'll just want to sit in the air conditioning and cool off and watch some TV. Yeah, I got good TV out here. They had 27 channels, and it doesn't cost anything. Of course, I never could understand why people buy cable and satellite and all that stuff to get hundreds of channels when you can only watch one at a time. Anyway, closing up the door here, calling it a day. Just wanted to get a video in, let you know what was going on, and we'll go from there. I'm also going to, I had a request to do some prospecting on my land. Well, prospecting I'll be doing is I'll be bringing out my metal detector and this rolling magnet here. I run that through first, and that picks up all of the steel, the nails, the screws, washers, anything like that that's laying around, so that I don't get a whole bunch of false hits. And then I set my metal detector to pick up non-ferrous metals, and that avoids any other ferrous metals that I might have missed. And then when I get a hit, I know it's something I might want to look at. So I'll show you how all of that goes. Before I can do that, though, I've got to get the baby chick cage off of my trailer, and I'm going to put a rack on the side of the coop there to hang it on, so it's out of the way and it's stored. And then I'll have my little wagon, because I do have an ore cart right there, but I can't use my ore cart because I don't have anything to tow it with, because some lowlife scum bucket piece of crap stole my ATV. And I hope you cracked your skull open on it there somewhere, okay? If you haven't already, at least try to. Make me happy. All right, that's it, everybody. This is G Bear, thanking you for joining me. Don't forget thumbs ups, and don't forget to subscribe. Had a nice little young lady over at the Home Depot today help me when I was looking for PVC fittings, because apparently all of the growers have been buying up PVC fittings like crazy, and there's not very many to be found. But she was helping me with that stuff, and told her what it was for my tote-cuzzi, and she said, "What's a tote-cuzzi?" So I showed her the video about it, and she put it into her phone and subscribed. So I added a subscriber from that today. So get a few more on there, everybody. Thank you for joining me. This is G Bear signing off.